Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Today we're gonna take a look at Estée Lauder. They have a market cap of $91 billion. The current stock price is $256.52 and they operate in the household and personal products industry. And they make makeup. They have big brands, of course Estée Lauder, also MAC and Clinique, but many other brands also. If we look back 10 years, we can see that they have outperformed the S&P 500 by quite a lot, with its dividend reinvested. Now let's take a look at some fundamental data on a 5-year average. First off, sales grow, amazing numbers here, 7.6%, big check mark. Earnings growth, also amazing numbers, 21.4%. Earnings estimates a bit lower, but still very acceptable at 12.4%. Return of capital is also very high, 17%. The debt to free cash flow is nice and low, only 1.66. But I have not been buying back shares if we look back 5 years. The dividend yield is only 0.94, but let's see if they are increasing it. The payout ratio is low, so they have room to increase the dividend, and they are actually growing it by quite a lot, double digits, 12%. The growth years are only 2 years, but yeah, that makes up for 7 out of 10 points. If we take a quick look at valuation on gurufocus.com, we can see that they rate it as fairly valued. But let's also check in fast graphs for some more in-depth analyze on the evaluation. So here in fast graph we can see that the earnings is actually increasing quite steadily, and don't let the graph fool you, it's actually increasing by quite a lot, over 12% earnings growth, so that's actually amazing. But yeah, currently it has been skyrocketed in price to then drop down again, but it's still trading at a PE of over 35. Personally, I have Estée Lauder on my watch list because I like it a lot. If we zoom back out here, we can see that it has been a very pleasant ride for those investing in Estée Lauder way back. But yeah, I think I would need the stock maybe to come down to the 200 range for me to be interested. If we project right now out to mid 2025, we would only have a total annual rate of return of 8.2%, which isn't too bad even at this high valuation, but I think the stock would be probably even a better deal, maybe under the 30 PE. So that was it for Estée Lauder. Please share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this informative, please also subscribe and like the video. See you next time. Bye.